When you run a booking website, the little details really matter. The order of your services, locations, or employees in the booking form is one of those details. If it's random, clients might get confused before they even click book. The good news is with version 2.4 of the Appointment Booking plugin, you can finally take full control of that order. And that's not all. I also show you how to create a clear hierarchy of service categories in the drop-down. On top of that, in this version, we've added support for video event links in customer calendars if you're using the video conferencing add-on. Welcome back to the MotoPress YouTube channel. I'm Valerie, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And now, let's get started. So, some clients using our appointment booking plugin for salons, spas, and similar businesses ran into a common problem. Basically, drop-downs for services, categories, locations, or employees often appeared in a random order, and that made it tricky for customers to find what they needed. Sometimes they had to scroll through long, messy lists, which, as you can imagine, led to even drop-offs. It got worse when a lot of services were offered. For example, salons needed haircuts listed alphabetically. Children's programs had to go by age, youngest to oldest, and barbershops wanted a specific barber to appear first, and spa owners needed neat categories. The reason is simple. WordPress custom post types like services or employees usually display items in the order they were created or by internal ID. Most plugins don't let you control this, so the list can feel random. And yeah, that was true for our scheduler too. But now, with version 2.4, this has changed and every item has an order field, and this lets you decide exactly how services, locations, employees, or categories appear in the booking form. It's manual, not automatic, which is actually better, and you get control over every single item. After updating to 2.4, your booking form stays exactly the same. Nothing changes automatically, so don't worry. For this example, I've chosen the barbershop site and its employees. And here is the view from the dashboard. Now let's compare it with the front end, the booking form drop down. Say we want to change the order, and it doesn't matter what the criterion is. It could be seniority, popularity, or just your personal preference. So what do? Changing the order is really simple. Just go to the needed menu in your dashboard, services, employees, categories, or locations, and you'll see the new order field for each item. To set the order, hover over an item, click Quick Edit, type the number for its position, and update. Set it to 1 and it appears first, 2 and it appears second, and so on. This way, the drop-down shows exactly what you want, in the order you want. Now I suggest checking the front end to see the result. I reload the page first, and after reloading, you'll notice the booking form instantly reflects the new order. No extra steps needed. And that's how easy it is to stay in control of the booking experience. Let's try another example, this time with the locations menu. I open the locations list in the dashboard, and again, the order here defines how they'll appear in the booking form. I rearranged them the way I want. And then reload the front end. And just like with employees, the booking form updates instantly to reflect the new order. Next up, let's look at services. How your services appear in the booking form really matters. Clients often decide quickly, and a well-organized list can make booking smoother and faster. So I go to the services menu in the dashboard, and from here I can set the order however I want. Maybe highlight top selling services first, or arrange them by type. And there it is. The new order is live for your clients, and this way clients can find what they need right away. And the booking experience feels much more professional. Don't you agree? And now a couple of things to keep in mind. Once you start using the order field, you need to assign a number to all items in that menu. Otherwise, searching won't work properly. Now, if you have a long list but only want to prioritize a few items, there is a neat trick. You can use negative numbers. For example, -2 appears first, -1 second. The rest will follow by ID. This keeps the list neat while highlighting the items that matter most. Service categories now display a proper hierarchy, and if you use many categories for your services, you can create parent categories to organize them even further. And this is done in the Service Categories menu. So I want to remind you that before version 2.4, if you already had categories, the Service Category dropdown didn't show the parent-child structure clearly. All categories appeared in a single list with no visual distinction between main categories and subcategories. Now this has been improved. For this quick example, I'll create 2 parent categories for the law firm website. Of course, you might already have them in place, so you can skip this step if that's the case. And when creating or editing a service category, just assign a parent category to it. That way, the category automatically becomes a subcategory. Okay, we can also try changing the order. It takes just a few seconds. And once you check the booking form, you'll notice not only the much cleaner hierarchy of service subcategories in the dropdown, but also the new order you set. So this makes it much easier for both you and your clients to navigate and quickly find the right services. Almost forgot to mention, this new hierarchical feature also helps in the service settings. You'll see the updated view there, which makes it much easier to tick the boxes and assign your service to the correct category. Moreover, in this plugin version, we've added support for video event links in customer calendars. This works when the events are created with the video conferencing add-on. As you probably know, the add-on automatically generates online meeting details for Zoom or Google Meet. These details are sent to customers as soon as they book a session. Now the links also appear directly in the client calendar. So when a client adds an online event to their calendar at checkout, the Zoom or Google Meet link is included automatically. This makes it really easy for clients to access the meeting without digging through emails. So let's see it in action. Just one thing to keep in mind, the add to your calendar option needs to be enabled in the booking form. If it's not, the links won't appear in the client's calendar. So that's the latest in version 2.4. The ordering feature, the improved service category hierarchy, and video event links really make a difference. Services, employees, locations, and categories now appear clearly and logically. Customers find what they need faster, and bookings run smoother. Your top services or star employees get seen first. And it's a small change, but it makes the booking experience feel much more professional. So those little touches can really upgrade the whole customer experience. Before you go, if these new features sound useful, give this video a like. And if you want more tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss what's new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.